Hindi ko naman po siya iniwanan in the first place. I mean, whenever I have a chance to sing, I'll sing. Hindi naman po siya nawala. Me and Azzy, we were just having fun pag-scene namin. Naalala ko, inaasal-asal ko nga siya. I took advantage of that scene na kailangan galit ako sa kanya at saka pag-trip-tripan ko siya. Kasi ganoon din yung ginagawa na sa akin pag siya naman yung kailangan man-trip. Kaya everything was so smooth, everything was so fun. Kaya siguro we achieved it. And it was all natural at hindi pilit. Kasi we were just all having fun. Honestly po, medyo hindi ko naman kurang nang hirap in a sense that I always find joy in the things that I do. As in, namumulit na ako dun sa set, pero pagdating sa work po tayo. Pero since, minention po niya about sa love scene, I remember, habang yung binubuhat ko siya, nanginginig na yung tuhod ko.
Ay, ganun. Dahil?
Kasi malambot kasi yung bed. Oh, kasi malambot yung bed, malambot rin yung couch. So, ang hirap talaga mag-balance, pero nagawa na namin yung paraan.
Pero, feel mo yung ganun yung scena?
At saka mahirap, mahirap, sex na naka-costume. Kasi I remember, pawis nga pala ako noon, tapos I had a cape. So whenever I move, kumakalas yung cape or nahihila ako sa likid. Kasi lumidikit yung tela. Pero overall, sobrang swabe naman nila.
Gian, hindi mo na babalikan ng magkanta?
Hindi ko naman po siya iniwanan in the first place. I mean, whenever I have a chance to sing, I'll sing. Hindi naman po siya nawala. It's the same time nung nasa band ko ako before, I was focusing on music, pero I was doing acting on the side. Ngayon naman po, I'm prioritizing acting and doing music on the side. Kaya hindi man po siya nawala yung music sa akin.
Mas madalas ka na kasi namin nakikita sa pelikula kaysa sa...
Siguro po i-push po natin na kumanta. Sir John, mapapadala sa loob pelikula, baka naman.
Ito paano, doon sa mga shoot nyo kay Direk DC, na-experience nyo yung pagiging isang cosplayer. So si Azzy, nakapag-try na siya before. So, ano na lang yung masasabi nyo doon sa experience nyo? Siyempre kahit paano na-experience yung pagiging cosplayer through this, So, ano na lang masasabi mo with this industry and paano kayo nakarelate as artists?
Nakarelate ako in a sense na kasi I have 3 friends who actually does cosplay and they're really, really passionate. Sa sobrang passionate nila, I remember we went to Boracay. One of my friends talaga nakasuot siya ng wig. And she was portraying, I forgot kung sino siyang anime character. Pero I see the passion in them. Kaya nakarelate ako kasi sa mga bagay na gusto kong gawin, sa mga bagay na mahal kong gawin, I'm really passionate and I see that in every industry, maraming magkakaiba at malaking difference. Pero when it comes to passion, it's all the same. Everyone is really hardcore. Kaya ganun lang po makarelate nila sa artist. Ganito lang ako sa mga cosplayers is yung pagiging cosplayer nila, it's not actually a different person. Kumbaga, di ba yung iba inisip nila, I'm doing this cosplay para tanggalin yung kung sino talaga ako sa totoong buhay. No, it's actually part of them that they really want to show. Kumbaga, some of us natago ang kakulitan, some of us tahimik pagkasama yung mga ganito certain na tao. Pero din sila, there's a part of them na nilalabas nila kasama yung community who actually understands their passion and understands their passion and also has the same passion as they have. Kaya, natutunan ko din is, we have to respect them kasi I know some people are actually, belittling them, pinagtatawanan sila kasi you're too old to doing this, you're too old to do it, kasi you're doing that. Pero they don't actually know na it's, for me, parang yun yung pagpa-motorcycle, it's an escape sa totoong buhay, sa real world kung saan maraming problema. It's the same thing sa pag-games ko, it's an escape sa totoong buhay. Ganun din sa kanila. Kaya never belittle them, always respect them kasi the passion that you have in other things, that's the same passion and on the fire burning side of them when they're doing cosplay.